Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So in this video today, I thought I would just do a little bit of detoxification face tapping. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like, and also please share. Oh, and thumbs up. So what I like to do first before I do any face tapping is to make sure that I've sat down on a chair, and I do like my feet to be firmly on the floor and my back nice and straight and in alignment, and shoulders nice and relaxed. You also want to make sure that you've got very clean hands and fingers. Don't want to be transferring any bacteria from those onto the face. And also, equally important is having a clean face. You don't want any products, no foundation, just a very nice clean face. Now, what I do like to use when I'm doing face tapping is to actually use some form of slip. And I've just got a organic rosehip oil here. You can use avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, preferably something plant-based or vegetable-based, nothing with any synthetic ingredients, because you don't want to be putting that onto the face and getting it into the bloodstream. So I've got an organic rosehip oil here. I do like organic if you can as well. And you can see just at the very last dregs of it, but I've got a bit there. And we just want to apply just a couple of drops. And then we're just going to put it into our fingers and hands, rub it in, get the energy going. And then just place it on our face and also our neck. Now, I love face tapping. It's a really natural way of building up collagen, helping the blood circulation. Also, by tapping certain points, it actually calms down the nervous system. So by the end, you know, your face is looking good and you're feeling calmer in yourself as well. So it's two things for one. Right. So what I like to do first, I like to start from the bottom, work all my way up and then all the way back down again. So let's just do some gentle tapping just on the neck. I do like to go up with the neck slowly as well. Now, when it comes to pressure, you don't want it to be, you don't want to be too firm. The lymph is quite close to the surface of the skin, but you obviously want to be able to feel it. And then we'll get to the jaw. Just do some tapping here, all the way along. Just a little pinching motion as well, all the way along here. So just by using your fingers and your thumb underneath. Now, if you do have long nails, obviously you don't want to be digging into your skin, so you could use your knuckles on your fingers just by, you know, just gently tapping away this way like that. And then all the way up, tap towards from the chin to the lips. And all the way up. I do like to go upwards. Heading towards there. Now, this is a really good point here. Nice meridian point. You want to be tapping that just above the lips. And then you do always. And all the way across. And working under the cheek here. You have quite a few good lymph nodes, so you want to be working all the way down there. It's actually quite good if you've got slight sinus issues. And you can, if you like, to take a few big deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. This will also help with the oxygen. And then we're reaching, as you can see, just up to the eyes here. And just go all the way along. This is really good if you've got a few eye bags or a bit of inflammation. Also help with any of those crow's feet. And then to the top. Third eye. And just here, you can just take your middle fingers and just gently tap. And we start to work our way down again. Again, I like to do the eyes. Obviously, as you get into your, as with me, in my 50s, you do start to lose a bit of collagen. So, you know, collagen supplements are good. I do take collagen powder quite often, and tapping. I quite like to do this also in the evenings. If I'm sort of sitting up in bed, it's actually quite nice to just get a bit of oil on and just tap, gently tap away. Also calms you down, ready for sleep. And again, all the way down. Now, again, the chin. All the way there. Right, now we've just done some tapping all around and along our face here. And so what I'm going to do now is by the ears here, you just want to go in a gentle motion, circular motion, not too hard, and work all your way down. You may want to start to swallow at this point, so just releasing some of those toxins we've been moving around. And then to the back of the ear here, and then just gently move it down from the back of the neck forward here. You don't want to be going at the front of the neck, just at the side, back of the neck, side, and down to the collarbone. And then once we get to here, come from the top all the way down and into the either side here, you have 2 points. And it's really good to just give those just a few gentle presses, sort of in a pulsing motion, because that will actually release all the lymph, the toxins we've actually just been moving around into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Something I just thought it would be quite fun to do, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.